and today I'm very pleased to welcome you to the beautiful village of Westonzoyland. Here on the outskirts of Bridgwater, we are bringing you an immaculately presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property, complete with a double garage, a large driveway, an extension and open plan living. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to book a viewing on this stunning property or would indeed like a valuation of your own home by the property centre, then please do get in touch.